Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the three dots there. And you can just press on settings now and you will be able to find these theme options here. As you can see, white, this color, I'm not sure what the color's name is, and the two black shades as well. So you can just select the theme, and after that you can just leave it on your preferred theme. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.